Our Highway 22 Universal Wiring Kit has long been the system of choice for high-tech, high-end custom vehicles. The kit is modular, which allows the fuse panel to be placed in a wide range of locations, and the installer has flexibility to run the wires individually as needed to suit the car. We've recently introduced an updated version, the Highway 22 Plus, that features a number of improvements to the original. In addition to several instruction changes to help with clarification and ease of installation, each kit will now include a built-in LED flasher to support LED turn signals out of the box. We've added backup light feed and power wires to make the harness easier to install in a more modern vehicle. The pre-installed 20 amp relay can now be changed to function as either a keyed 12 volt or ground triggered item. All kits will feature our new High Amp Alternator and main power connection kit. This allows for the use of high amp alternators and provides an even better level of fuse protection for the panel and charging system. Extra connectors and wiring have been added to more easily support a 4-headlight system without an additional add-on purchase, as well as longer neutral safety wires for cars with console shifters. All kits still use the same 6-gauge bus bar and Hook's Law clamp wire connections to make for a long-lasting connection. The new version of the kit is part number 510760 and is available now. In addition to following us on YouTube, please check us out on Facebook, Car Buff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.